Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the post of Research Officer Implementation in the Ministry of Home Affairs, which has been notified by the UPSC. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. There is a vacancy for the post of Research Officer Implementation, vacancy number 2107090344 in the Ministry of Home Affairs, Department of Official Languages, and the organization would be Regional Implementation Offices. How many vacancies are there? There are total 8 vacancies. 5 vacancies is reserved for unreserved, 5 posts are for unreserved, 2 posts are for OBC category, 1 post for SC category, 1 post for PWBD category. What are the requirements? First, the pay scale is level 7, that is 44,900 to 1,42,400. What is the age requirement? Not exceeding 30 years as on normal closing date, not exceeding 35 years for scheduled caste, and for 33 years for other backward classes, and also 40 years for public with disabilities is the maximum age limit. Essential qualification is master's degree of a recognized university in Hindi with English as compulsory or elective subject or as the medium of examination at the degree level, or master's degree of a recognized university in English with Hindi as a compulsory or elective subject or as the medium of examination at the degree level, or master's degree of a recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with Hindi medium and English as a compulsory or elective subject or as the medium of examination at the degree level, or master's degree of a recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with English medium and Hindi as a compulsory or elective subject or as the medium of examination at the degree level, or master's degree of a recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with Hindi and English as a compulsory or elective subject or either of the two as a medium of examination and the other as compulsory or elective subject at the degree level. These are the qualifications. Desirable is none. Duties are also given. There is a probation period of 2 years. Headquarters would be Delhi, and the officer will be required to serve in any of the offices of the 8 regional implementation offices, that is Delhi, Ghaziabad, Bhopal, Mumbai, Kolkata, Guwahati, Bangalore and Kochi. These posts are permanent and classified as General Central Services, Group B, Gazetted Non-Ministerial. So these are the posts which has been notified by the UPSC for the post of Research Officer Implementation. Whosoever is interested and is eligible can apply for the same. And what is the last date for the apply for this post is 12th of August 2021. Whosoever wants to apply for these posts can apply till 12th of August 2021 for the post of Research Officer Implementation. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.